guys, welcome to another video with your buddy the roller coaster crafter, and today we are putting more progress onto my custom coaster known as Edgepoint. And for today we are going to be putting on this helix element, and we'll be starting into the next element for this coaster. So right here I am building the helix around the main structure of the lift hill, and the reason it looks kind of like an outward banked helix is because, remember, you are positioned sideways onto the track. So this is kind of gonna give kind of the same sensation as any bank turn would. It would just look different. And from the helix, this next element will go into the next inversion of this coaster, and will be leading into the second half, which will be on the other side of the lift hill. And that's going to do it for today's update. And as you can see, progress for this coaster is going a bit slowly. That is only because I have to readjust some things for this layout and also make sure it works. I am also making custom cars for this coaster, so please stay tuned for those. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as frequent as usual, but I'm going to get back into rotation with NEX coasters as well as other videos on my channel. Thank you guys for your patience, and also don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys. I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace.